Have you ever wondered why some countries try to make more of their own goods instead of buying them from other countries? This is where the concept of import substitution comes into play. Import substitution is a strategy that countries use to reduce their dependency on imported goods by producing those goods domestically instead. Here's how it works. Imagine a country that imports a large amount of cars because it doesn't produce enough locally. To reduce its reliance on imported cars and boost its own economy, the government might decide to invest in local car manufacturing. They may offer incentives like tax breaks to local car manufacturers, build new factories, or improve infrastructure to support this industry. Import substitution aims to achieve several goals. First, it helps countries save money by producing goods themselves rather than buying them from other countries, which can be expensive due to transportation costs and tariffs. Second, it stimulates the local economy by creating new jobs in industries that produce previously imported goods. This can lead to economic growth and reduce unemployment rates. An example of successful import substitution is seen in Brazil during the mid-20th century. Brazil used to import a large amount of industrial goods, but the government implemented policies to encourage local production instead. They invested in industries like automobile manufacturing, electronics, and textiles, which helped Brazil become more self-sufficient and less dependent on imports. However, import substitution also has its challenges. Critics argue that it can lead to inefficiencies and lower quality goods compared to imported products. It may also require significant government intervention and subsidies, which can strain public finances. Moreover, in today's globalized economy, some argue that focusing solely on import substitution may limit a country's ability to benefit from international trade and technological advancements. In conclusion, import substitution is a strategy where countries prioritize producing goods domestically instead of relying on imports. It's aimed at boosting local industries, reducing dependency on foreign goods, and promoting economic self-sufficiency. While it has its advantages, it also requires careful planning and consideration of potential drawbacks to ensure sustainable economic growth and development.